In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Microsoft Loop table to Excel. We'll walk through getting into Microsoft Loop, setting up or opening a workspace, adding a table, and downloading it so it's ready for Excel. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along smoothly. Start by heading to your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. This is the quickest way to find the official site. In the results, choose the Microsoft Loop page from Microsoft 365. That ensures you're in the right place with the latest features and a secure sign-in experience. On the Loop page, click Get Started with Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you're new. Use the account you plan to collaborate with so your workspaces and pages are available across your devices and teammates. Once you're in, either create a new workspace or open one you already have. If you're starting fresh, give the workspace a clear name, then add a page where your table will live. If you already have a workspace with a page that includes the data you want, open that page to continue. To add a table, click the plus icon to open the Tools menu. This is where Loop keeps components you can drop into your page. If you prefer keyboard-friendly actions, you can also type a / and enter Table to bring up the same option quickly. Select Table. A new table component appears on your page. From here, you can customize it to match your data. Rename the column headers so they're meaningful, and keep your entries consistent to make export clean and predictable. If you need more structure, add a column or choose Add New to expand your table. Think about the columns you'll want to see in Excel, like dates, numbers, or text labels. Keeping each type of information in its own column helps Excel parse your data accurately. When your table looks right and you're ready to move it to Excel, open the Tables menu by clicking the 3 dots in the corner. Choose Download CSV. Loop will generate a comma-separated values file, which is a universal format that Excel reads seamlessly. You'll find the file in your browser's Downloads folder. Note that CSV preserves rows and columns, but advanced formatting or special components may not carry over. That's normal for CSV and keeps the data structure clean. And that's it. You've created or opened a workspace, added a table, and exported it as a CSV ready for Excel. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.